Hi everybody, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you the 2025 Sailfish 245 DC. Nice full side shot here from Kate. Full hull color going all the way down. This is the Whisper Gray. Up in the bow, we do have the windlass anchor going over the top. And we'll hop inside. In the cockpit of the 245, looking back towards the transom, white Yamaha 300 on the back. Ski tow bar that does collapse down. Rod holders across the back with your live well access. These seats all do fold out or fold in. On the port side, we have rear facing seat and a co-captain's chair. This seat does come forward and can lay all the way flat. Forward of that port seat, nice spacious head on the 245 DC. Probably one of the easier access points in and out for any boat in this size range. Hopping over to the starboard side, we apologize about the construction in the background. Nice big Garmin screen. We have a Yamaha gauge screen as well. Phone charger, Fusion stereo, Garmin VHF, trim tabs, and your switching. I'll let Kate make her way up towards the bow. Two forward-facing seats with a bench seat, and then we also have that shot of the anchor looking forward. As Kate turns back around, the last shot we'll do is of this immense hard top on a 24-foot boat. We get a lot of coverage from the sun, and we get our net bag for our life jackets or anything that you want to drip dry. So again, my name is Frank and Teskey. This is the 245 DC in MarineMax Brick. Thank you for your time.